In this video, we're just going to review some of the properties of logarithms. Previous video, we did lots of examples where we kind of showed off these properties, but and so in this video, I'm just kind of going to go over these properties. If you memorize them, or if you know them really well, it can help so that when you're solving, you're evaluating log functions or evaluating logs, you can quickly arrive at an answer by if you know these properties. Okay, so let's go ahead and start it with the first one. The log base a of a is 1, right? And this makes sense because basically what it's saying is that if the base is a and the exponent is 1, that's going to equal a. That's to say here. Okay, and so no matter what a you have, if a is some number greater than 0, not equal to 1, then this will hold. All right. For the next property, a of base 1 of 1 equals 0. So that's saying a to the 0 equals 1. And you see, that's also true regardless of what a is. For any a, as long as, well, I have these two criteria. For any a, as long as a is greater than 0 and a does not equal 1. This holds. Okay, so now moving on to the third property. So for the third property, it says log base a, so the base is a, of a to the x equals x. So kind of don't have room there, so I'm going to go ahead and draw this one out here. So the base is a, and the exponent is x. That's from out here. And it's saying that this is going to equal a to the x, right, which is what you see here, a to the x. Right, a to the x equals a to the x. That's basically what the third property is saying. So, any value of a, as long as a is greater than 0, not equal to 1, this property holds. Okay. Lastly, a to the log base a of x equals x. And this was basically the last example that was shown in the previous video. So to see an example of this, I recommend that you go back and look at that video. Basically it's kind of like these guys are canceling and then you're just left with the x. Just make sure the bases are the same and then this property will hold.